Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials and taking the first actions now. Power the router and modem, then connect the modem to the router WAN port. Make sure the router LEDs indicate a booted state. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable from router LAN to your laptop if you need a direct setup. Otherwise, enable Wi-Fi on your laptop and open network settings. These steps establish physical connectivity and let you access the router or wireless SSID for the next configuration phase. Now you join the wireless network and tune settings to work reliably. Choose the SSID shown on the router, enter the correct password, and confirm you obtain an IP via DHCP so your laptop can access the LAN and internet. If you prefer static addressing or must change wireless channel or band, log into the router admin page. Adjust to 4 versus 5 GHz channel width and security to WPA2/WPA3 for better compatibility and safety. Once configured, save settings and allow the router to apply changes. Finish by confirming full connectivity and locking down the network. Open a browser to load a page or run a speed test to confirm upload/download performance and latency. Make sure the router shows WAN connected. Update router firmware, change the default admin password, and enable strong wireless security to prevent unauthorized access. If things go wrong, power cycle modem and router, retry the connection, and if still offline, contact your ISP. Often rebooting hardware and checking ISP status resolves most outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.